Hello everyone, welcome to the channel DWS Technico. So in this video we are going to see the port mapping. Okay, so how we can map the port from host to container. Okay, because we need the communication, okay, externally as when we create a container exactly by default it gets its own port. Okay, but if we want to connect externally, so we need a port mapping. Okay, so now we are going to see that how we can port map to the container. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, we can port map in a two ways. Okay, we can port mapping can be done in two ways. First way is random port mapping. Okay, random port mapping, what it means, like where it can assign any random port number. Second way will be the fixed port mapping, that we will assign, okay, from ourselves. Okay, there is a fixed number of port. So we will see in two ways. So for the random port mapping, the command is docker run as you usual create a container. So we just try to create a container -d in a daemon mode. We try to create a container in background mode. Okay, so we don't want to exactly get into the container, so I am trying to create a background mode in a daemon mode. So docker and -d -name web 3. This is the container name. Okay, httpd, okay, image, docker image name. And so before image name, here we just give the -P flag. Okay, and that's it. So here if I try to copy and paste it here and hit enter, so it will give the, okay, sorry, my bad, web 3 is already running, so I will show you docker ps. So it is already running, so we can't take the same name, so just I have to rename the container name. Okay, let me try to rename it. Here I am giving web 4, copy, paste. Okay, so this is, okay, it's created the container with a random port. Let's see, it is random port because here web 4, as you see here, that port is for all. See, this means that for all externally we can exactly communicate for all IPs. There is no foundation. Okay, 0.0.0 it means, and this is the host port 32768, and this is a container port. If you not exactly understand the concept, let me try to okay, so suppose let me check what is my IP, host IP. Okay, host IP is my 172 this. Okay, now I am going to show you that and yeah, what is the my host port for this web 4 container. Now you will see that it will give the same output when I give the IP here with a port 32768 and hit enter. See, it will give the same output which are exactly we exactly given in this container. Okay, we are exactly stored in this container. See this output. I will show you docker. So how will we exactly get into the container if it is running in the background mode? So the command is docker exec -it. Okay, container name, or we can give container ID, anything. And bash means the shell which we want. We get into the container, ls cthtdocs ls cat index.html. so here you can see the same output we are getting in the host. So we can quit from the container and we are out of the container. And now again I will show you with the same thing. So yeah, so it is connecting. So we can use the port mapping. Okay, we can use many random port for the externally. But as you think that currently you are thinking that, so suppose we are exactly deploying the application and it gets much popular, but so every user not exactly remember this random port. So what we can do, we can exactly give the fixed port mapping. We use the second way. How can we use? Docker run -d, it's same hyphen name web 6. I guess web 5 is already running, so I am giving web 6. And here you use a small flag p. Okay, this is a uppercase, this is a lowercase. And here you need to define the port, okay, because it is a fixed port mapping. So we are giving 82 exactly host container, host machine, and 82 container port and HTTP. That's it. That's here we are done. Now we can exactly hit the enter, and now you can see that for web 6 it is exactly given the same 80 port, fixed port. So now how can I use? We can use curl my IP and 80. So see, it is giving the same output which are stored, because see, these are all the same image, na? So there is same. I can show you one thing. Let me show you the difference, because you are exactly understanding that it is giving same output. So it can give any output. So let me try to edit this, okay, and I will show you exact. So I am going into the container web 6 bash cd htdocs and vi index.html. okay, here vi is not exactly working. So what can we do? We can directly append into the index.html and try to modify something. Suppose this is my first web page. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, first web page, and now Control D to save it. Okay, now we are ready to. I will show you what I have edited. This is my first web page. When I come out of the container, okay, and now I try to curl it, my IP address to the host port. Let me clear it, because this I am calling for 80. So as I establish the port 80, when I hit enter, it will give the same output. Now I think you are exactly understanding the concept of the port mapping. Okay, so if any have any doubts regarding this, you can ask to the comment. Okay, till then, bye.